Let's focus our discussion first on marijuana, okay? Marijuana has a very distinct smell, okay? I'm gonna pass around just a little tiny bit, and I want you all to take a smell so you know when someone is smoking marijuana near you.
Through the darkest weather, yeah, I made it to the sun up. Whoa, through the darkest weather.
What's cracking? It's your boy B. I don't know if you ain't following my social media yet, go check that shit out. I was just gaming it. What time is it for?
12 in the morning.
It's like 12 in the morning.
It is.
Yeah, it's 12 in the morning. We're right here, came to get a snack. We're late night gaming. Fucking, we're about to hop off and get some Subway right here. Open 24 hours at the Pilot on...
Hitting up all the PS4 PCs.
All the Let's go. We're in the travel center right here. The Pilot, right next to the Pilot on the south side. Or not the south side. This is all by the fucking Embaques and shit over here. But fucking motherfucking Subway. Let's go. Yeah. Fuck. I didn't even bring brown gloves. Yeah. Let's go. Get this Subway. Fuck. I straight risked touching that door. Hurry up, fool. This was lagging to get in the motherfucking store. Let's go. Yeah, some Subway or some Cinnabon. Look, they got the little Cinnabon right here. Serving Cinnabon all the time too. If you're ever hungry, you stop here. You got the Subway back here. A little food market. Everyone's just like looking like, what the fuck? This was probably on the camera. So is the line. Yeah, we're about to get some of the Subway right here. Some cool food right now. What do you say? So they're not serving? Fuck. What's that?
Yeah. We're gonna go on this break.
Whack. Where you trying to munch at now? That's hella whack. This fucking fool straight kicked us out. So he's about to close and couldn't even serve us real quick. Some motherfucking food. But yeah. Fuck. So we're gonna get some food?
Yeah.
Like McDonald's, huh? So this fool fucking pulled a straight cat move. Whoever fucking knows this food that works at Subway right here. That works at the Subway right here, at the 24-hour Pilot right here. Fucking tell that fool he's a cat for that one. Mr.bdidthat say he's a cat because fucking he could have just straight made our food real quick and we could have had a munchie meal or we could have had a little meal right there, something healthy. But yeah, that's another video. I'll show you guys what I eat at Subway, but fucking we'll hit you once we're in the drive-thru or somewhere else.
Turn it off, what the fuck is he talking about? I should slap you for saying he if he thinking I don't keep a Glock with me. That's like
We just pulled up. Can I get number 13? Medium?
I'm sorry?
Can I get a number 13? Medium?
Number 13, regular fries?
Curly? With the Sprite?
Curly fries?
Yeah.
And the Sprite?
Yeah.
Anything else?
And can I get a number 16?
Number 16, and what kind of drink?
Dr. Pepper?
With the loaded tiny tacos.
And can you add a loaded tiny tacos to that as well?
What number is that?
What? Hello?
Give me a second.
Okay.
The spicy chicken, you're weak. That shit's whack.
It's some spicy chicken.
Or some nuggets.
And what kind of drink for number 16?
Dr. For a number 6. A 16, right? You said the 16?
That's the chicken ball?
Yeah, can I get a Dr. Pepper with that?
Anything else?
Can you make that a medium Dr. Pepper?
Medium Dr. Pepper? Okay, anything else? A small, medium, or large?
Medium?
And what kind of drink?
And then can I get a Sprite with that? You did add. Oh, can you add the tiny tacos? The loaded tiny tacos?
The tiny tacos?
Yeah, the loaded tiny tacos.
Okay, anything else?
That'll be it.
Okay, it's out of the window.
Thank you. Damn, it's your boy B. I straight slipped up. It's the next morning. As I'm editing the vlog, I just noticed I didn't close it out, so I'm gonna close it right now. Fucking just gaming it right here, but fucking go add me on PSN, B_Swisha47, capital B and capital S. Go add me and game it with the boy. Getting real quick scopes and shit going down. But yeah, that's that. This is the outro of the video, and I hope you guys enjoyed it. I'll hit you fools laters.
Hit the blunt, about to get medicated. Henny in a drink, now super.